I thought it was something like that. I don't know. It was close. If it's not the same person, it's really close. Why you gotta be on C? You lie yourself. I bet you don't. Oh. Alright, I got time. I'm over here on CP. Oh, you got 60 bullets then. Yeah. He came up on the stairs over there. Hey, you shot me. I know. Walked up the stairs. I'm in my bag section over there. So you died too, huh? Oh, okay. You got a green shirt. Oh, he's got a big ass backpack. Yeah, I see that. There's one to the left, two to the left, a bunch to the left, a couple more to the left, to the left, to the left, everything you're all in the box to the left. I can't see if I get too far back to a corner. To the left. Can't see anything. I don't see anybody. That's weird. Oh, it's clearing. Okay. Nope. Tell me. Right downstairs. Oh, what the fuck? Oh, I was looking down. I didn't know he was gonna be up there already. Where the fuck did he come from? He must have already been up there. Your left. Stairs. Okay. Even farther back. Okay. Whoa. He went. Fuck is he shooting at? Did lefty come in? Good shit. That would have been bad. Three mags, huh? Yep. How long did you walk up and go? Ah. I'm like, well, shit, no. I don't. I do not. I have 3 mags. Blast your weight. That's crazy. Yeah. Oh. Oh, let me see. Wait, where are you? Dead. Since you came back, I died. All my kills. I did. No. I wouldn't either. I wouldn't expect to die right there. I was doing pretty good. I was behind a fucking pillar and I cleared out most of them. Ain't seen anybody. Well, that's a big ass thing of fucking wire. Holy shit. Oh, there's 2 of them here. Holy god, it's a lot of copper. Yeah. You gotta have that license to sell copper in bulk nowadays, though. Yep. Or catalytic converters, that kind of stuff.
No, yes, no. No, biscuit.
Okay, where am I getting shot from? Left? No, this is just up on. That was behind us. What would have been behind us now? Okay. Yeah. Well, I can have ammo, I can have a sight, I can have spin mags. I got my 5 kills with the gun they want me to get, so I changed. Don't do that, guy. You know. No, my guy was trying to reload. Why did you tell me there's a person there? You can tell a little bit quicker than that, like behind you. What the fuck? You had no reaction time whatsoever. I'm very disappointed in you. Holy shit. I can't believe that. What the fuck, man? Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, I forgot I got fucking small mags, I got a bigger scope. Ugh. Good night. I can't remember where we learned how to do that, but I also forgot that we could do that, like the aiming by itself. Yeah, I forgot we could do that for a long time. You sit there and I was like, that's right, we could do that. I'm doing it right now. Good reason. They already got an hour. Alright, Bopod, please quit. Thank you. I don't know, my gun keeps changing apparently. Whew. Hmm. Why that guy doing that? This guy beside me at the fucking SMG couldn't shoot that motherfucker to save his goddamn life or mine. Well, he's using one of those. Need a valve. Okay. With the ACOG slide on it. What the fuck? I can't remember, man. I think it was just reloaded. He felt it. He was like, nah. Yeah, it was just reloaded because I just had to pull the thing back. I thought I couldn't kill that man. That's full. Go grab it, man. Keep going. A nice suppressed SKS. That's funny because me and my buddy at Advanced Auto, I worked there. We threaded his barrel while we was there, and the oil filter would go on to the end of it, and it actually worked the compressor pretty good. It's literally just you. Three guys, you're close left, but it ain't like they're just not that close. Good grenade. Bomb over to your right. Bomb to your right. Why would you look left? We can quickly. You didn't die quickly at all. You did good. Oh, I don't know. They said, why did you die so quickly? I was like, you didn't. You did just fine there, buddy. Yeah. Shot in the back here in a second. Okay, here. Talking. Are we talking to Zoe? Okay. Perfect. How you doing? I'm dead. Okay. No wonder I fucking died, this dumbass. The goddamn valve can't hit nothing. Not a fucking thing. Oh, god damn it. Alright. Maybe. We might have this. Getting everyone again. Who the fuck is he shooting at that much? I wonder. Anyway. Walk in front of me. That guy's walking to the same corner with you. Okay. Loading. He lives somehow. Oh, he lived. Didn't move or anything, he lived. Loading again. Loading. It's Zoe's fault. Really bad time. Got 108 kills by SKS.